In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPad as a second display for your MacBook. And there are only 3 things which we have to follow. So before we start, you need to make sure that both devices meet the minimum system requirements. So here's a list, and if your iPad and MacBook meet these requirements, then it's going to work. Once this is done, the first thing you have to make sure that both devices are within 30 feet of each other. So that's done. The second thing you have to do is make sure you've signed in with the same Apple account on both devices. So do that if you haven't already. The third thing is ensure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a setting called Handoff is turned on both devices. So let's check if all that is on each device. So here I've come to my laptop, and as you can see, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are on. And now I'll go to settings and check for Handoff. So here in settings, if I search for Handoff, as you can see, it's switched on. So now on the MacBook, it's ready. And now I'll go to my iPad and check. So here you can see that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are on. And again, I'll go to settings and then just search for Handoff. And as you can see, it's enabled. So now it's ready. On your PC, just go to the control center and then go to screen mirroring. It's this option over here. And here you'll find your iPad's name. And if I click on it, now it's connected. And as you can see, my cursor is moving from my Mac to my iPad. And the same way, I can drag apps between both devices. So Safari is open here. Then I can just take it and drag it to my iPad. And as you can see, now it's on my iPad. And the same way, I can just drag it back. But this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.